If you want to use Gemini on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to activate Gemini and start using it on this phone. For example, by default you can press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds in order to activate the Gemini. Then the microphone is also automatically enabled, and then you can just say whatever you want to say out loud to ask Gemini about something. You can of course deactivate the microphone and then you can write a prompt instead. If the text field is empty over here, you have the access to the live mode, which allows you to have something more like a proper conversation with Gemini, where you can just go back and forth and discuss something. Not only that, it's not just for discussion, it is of course also helpful to get information about pretty much anything. So of course be sure to check that out. Also, we can use this plus button in order to include a photo, to open the camera and then send the photo. We have files, the access to Google Drive, the notebooks, and also we can make the Gemini generate an image. There is also the share screen with live option, which allows you to pretty much start screen sharing. Of course, if you have something that is on your phone that you wish to know more about, and if you want to ask Gemini about that, then of course you can easily do so. Now, besides that, we also have the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. And then in here, everything is almost the same, so you can just tap over here on this section at the bottom to write something. You can activate the microphone if you want to say something out loud. And here we have access to all of these different modes. So not only images, but also now we can generate music, we can use Canvas and deep research. Here in the upper right corner, we have temporary chats. So if you want to, for example, if you want to ask something that shouldn't be saved over here in this menu, then of course you can use the temporary chat. And if you tap on these two lines, then of course you should be able to find all the history. But also you can tap on your Google account in here and go to settings in order to activate Hey Google by going to Talk to Gemini hands-free. So in here you should be able to activate the Hey Google voice activation, so then once you set it up, you should be able to say Hey Google out loud, and you should be able to activate Gemini like that. Also, if you use swipe gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, just like that, and this activates Gemini as well. And of course we can apply a widget, or we can add a widget to the home screen. So if you press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen and then go to widgets here, then we should be able to go to, let's say, Google Gemini widgets in here, or we can choose Android widgets. And I'm pretty sure we should be able to find one in here as well. So there we go. So we can press and hold our finger on this widget, and then we can just drop it anywhere we want it to be. Of course, you can still adjust the size of the widget, so you can make it bigger if you want to, but as you can see, we also have access to a bunch of different features that allow you to quickly start using Gemini or a specific feature of Gemini. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.